corkscrew, and believe it or not, even their eyelashes are made out of feathers. But I thought you might bond. I thought you might bond with him if you had your own crown of golden feathers.
I mean,
I made it for you.
you made this.
With my hands.
I don't think this is gonna help.
I think they might want to see you wear it.
Okay.
Take it out. Guy Fieri, everyone. All right, you got your crown of golden feathers. You got your treats.
Yeah.
Just wait. We'll try to give him a nice prompt. We'll give him some information when he's looking, and you got treats ready to go.
Okay. I do not think. Okay.
You did it.
Okay. That worked. Do you really think it was the hat?
Oh, not at all. That was for us. Right? Oh, it's all the treats. It's that reinforcement history. It's about making a meaningful connection, right?